I've waffled a bit there, can I start again? Hello. Hello, welcome to the kitchen. Today I'm going to make a Pom Pom Wreath Cake. It's really pretty, really simple. I always say it's simple, but it is. We've got the nozzles. You've probably seen those lovely pom-pom decorations that are everywhere. They're really on trend at the moment, and it looks amazing on a cake. I've got a plain ice buttercream cake here, and I'm just going to use my turntable just because it's much easier. We've made loads of different colours, and for this decoration we're going to use fairly closed tip star nozzles of all different sizes. This is going to create my different effects. The first thing I want to do is kind of give myself a bit of structure and make a kind of raised area so that my pom-poms look like they're an actual wreath, and I don't have to use tons of buttercream because that's going to be a bit heavy. So I'm using my old favourite Rice Krispie squares. So literally what I'm going to do is just use my fingers to kind of mould them a bit, and I'm going to place them around the edge of the cake like that. I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap because I want to be having the pom-poms coming over up onto the edge. So just sort of like place them on there like that. I'll just put my finger in the buttercream, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to be putting loads of pom-poms on that. Apparently this makes a nice sound. These are brilliant, these Rice Krispie treats. You've probably seen me making loads of things with them. Really versatile, can use them for so many things. There we go, so that's looking pretty good. Just make sure it's a nice circle. What I'm gonna do is just go around the edge and just build it inwards. So let's just start off with a nice big fat yellow one. Going with another colour now, let's go with a nice purple. Again, I've got a nice big one there. Got a nice big one there. With a few big ones, and then start filling in with my small and just kind of gradually build it up. So squeezing quite tightly against the cake and then pull away. Got a pink, pinkety pink. Dan's just desperate to have a go, aren't you, Dan? Give it your best shot. Make sure you keep it nice and close.
Nice and straight.
Nice and straight, that's it, you know the drill. It's brilliant. That's actually better than, it's actually really good, Dan. Let's do a nice big one here. Oh, this is really, really fun. This is brilliant. I kind of wanted to just pick like a bright accent colour out, just so it wasn't too like pastel-y. Pop a few of those in, just see how that's looking. Oh, I like that. I like it, it transforms it. I think it's pretty much finished. What I'm going to do is just put it on the surface now so I can see inside my inside of my ring. You can just sort of see there's a couple of gaps, you see. Just double check to see if there's any kind of bits of the Rice Krispies showing. I think that's done. Look at that. Let's move all this out of the way and see it in its glory. That is done. Look at it. It looks so pretty, especially when you look at it from above. And it was really super easy. I think that is my new favourite cake design. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you make your own. Everything you need to do that is just down there. And please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you really soon. Bye. Ooh.